Deep in the mountains, under a moonlit sky, a fire crackles at the heart of the maroon village. In the flickering light, Kojo sharpens his machete, his face unreadable. Without hesitation, he speaks. Then we sharpen steel, lay our traps, and prepare for battle. Nearby, Adissa tightens her bowstring. Her voice is firm, unwavering. They may have guns, but this land is ours. Beyond the mountains, the British camp stirs under the weight of war. By candlelight, Captain Briggs stands over a map, his fingers tracing paths like a hunter stalking prey. A shadow moves, a man in chains, dragged forward. Jelmo, a captured maroon. The jungle breathes in stillness. Then, silence. No birds, no wind. Only the heavy boots of British soldiers marching into the unknown. A soldier crumples, an arrow buried in his chest. Panic erupts. The maroons strike like the land itself. Kwame and Adissa leap from the canopy, slashing and striking, Dee's poisoned darts finding their mark. Kojo moves like a shadow, cutting through the chaos. In the midst of battle, he locks eyes with Captain Briggs. Jelmo walks the final path, his steps heavy with guilt. From above, Kojo watches, his jaw clenched. It ends tonight. Night falls. The maroon village stands surrounded. Kojo's machete clashes against Briggs' sword. Nana Abina lifts her arms, her voice rising in an ancient chant. A wind howls through the battlefield. Then, the spirits awaken. The maroons stand victorious. Adissa's voice breaks the quiet. They will come again. Kojo nods. And we will be ready.